Me and my group are going to present on Skype today. So our first slide is about the overview about Skype. Skype was founded in 2003. It's a popular way of communicating with your relatives for business and school. We can video chat or call our friends on with the help of an internet connection. Then it's good. It's a very good use of technology done by the founders of it. Next slide. As you can see, this is the login page of Skype. You can create an account. You can alternatively sign in from a Microsoft account or a Facebook account. It was founded by Swedish entrepreneurs Nicholas Zenström and Dane Jonas Friis. Developed by Estonian developers Eti Hena, Pri Sesalu, Jatali, and Skype peer-to-peer was its first name given by their developed founders, but later it was abbreviated to Skyper, and then finally after a certain period of time it was named as Skype. Next slide will be continued by Shreya.
As you can see, for privacy, you can choose, like anyone can see your availability, and you can even keep it in private. Purpose of Skype is to make free video and voice calls. You can even send instant messages via Skype. You can share files with other Skype users. It is a low-cost call to landline as well as mobiles, and it is connected with. You can stay connected with your business colleagues and also with friends and family together. Use of Skype is for school, business and home. In school, it is used for one-to-one meetings with teachers. For business, it is used for group meetings from their home, and for home, it is used for enjoyment and catching up with others. Next slide will be continued by Abhida.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Abhida Sheikh, and I'll further continue with the presentation. Okay. So Skype is used in schools, like teacher can they can have meeting with the parents like through Skype, and in business they can the people can in business it is help for having meetings for homes and all, and at home we can use Skype as like chatting with our friends or family who are in abroad or are out of India or out of Mumbai. It is fastest way of communication, and it's very cheap according to other things. The competitors are Tango, Chartprolet, Ovo.com and Fringe. These are the competitors of Skype. But Skype call, free video calls, call, landline and mobiles, conference calls. We can make conference call through Skype. You can call on any landline number or mobile numbers, free video calls, instant messaging. We can send files, screen sharing, group instant messaging. We can create a group and we can chat among those group people. These are the features of Skype, and I will start with further.
Let me explain this in detail. Skype to Skype calls. If you have an account in Skype, then only you can access the calling. Free video calls, yes, it is free. There are no extra charges, just the amount you pay for a net. Call landline and mobile. Landline and mobile. You can call landline and mobile through from Skype. Conference call, Skype phone number, instant messaging. You can even message from Skype to your cell phones. Group instant messaging, send files. You can send files through it, like images and other important documents. Screen sharing. research, you can use Skype through your phone, which is you should have Android or iPhone for it. Better way of communicating because it's free and if you are using Skype, you should have a 3G connection in your mobile or a good internet speed. Benefits the business industry. If you conference call through it, it's good because it will enable us to communicate easily. Keeps long distance people connected. If you are sitting in India and you want to connect with your brother or your any business colleague outside India, you can use Skype. Okay, let me explain the bar graph for you.
So this is a bar graph of this is a bar graph of increase in international phone and Skype traffic. Like in 2005, you can have a look. It was too less people who were using Skype, and eventually it increased. So how is Skype a Web 2.02? Skype deals with communicating with others around the world. It deals with collaboration on the World Wide Web. Information can be shared via video chat. And Web 2.02 is a very advanced kind of a tool. It's one of the biggest improvements in technology so far. So Web 2.02, Skype is one of them. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of Skype. Pros are, I'm a Skype user personally, so I can also add to the pros and cons. The pros are sufficient way to communicate with the outside world. No random video chats like we were talking about Facebook right now. Facebook, you can add like unknown people can see your account and they can even send you messages or comment on your pics. That's not nice. But in Skype, it's a video chatting thing, so you can't talk to any random person on Skype. It's always someone whom you know personally. Then Skype is now on smartphones and Android phones, such as smartphones consist of iPhones. Face-to-face contact with the missed ones, like my dad, he's in South Africa right now, West Africa right now. So this is a convenient way of talking to them. That's the pros. Now talking about the cons, some may not have a webcam. So those who don't have a webcam can't have that feature of video chatting. So they need to buy a webcam. Then video can lag if the wireless connection is poor. Next time. That's it. This is